This is DOOGEE V Max, and today I will demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So firstly, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Then launch the Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you can start its installation either directly from the search results, or you can also open its app page and tap at the install button over there, doesn't matter. Then once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. And well, while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So tap at the continue button over here, choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser, and at this final page you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs, or at least everything that it asks for, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.